This is Lumapod, an ultra-compact tripod solution. When we travel, we always pack our tripod, but we got tired of lugging around heavy, bulky tripods that take forever to set up. That's why we created Lumapod. With a simple pull and twist, Lumapod's patented tensioning mechanism ensures a stable setup in seconds. We created two separate models and optimized them for different demands. Whether you're spending a beautiful day with your family, spontaneously hiking and camping in the mountains, or exploring a new city, spend less time setting up your gear and more time capturing those amazing life memories. Twist, pull, set, and you're ready to go. We integrated modular leg extensions so you can easily adapt Lumapod to your needs. It's made to be brought everywhere and designed to be ready instantly, so you can capture and share your experiences in the moment. Use it with your smartphone, mirrorless, or DSLR camera. It easily fits in your pack, so you can always enjoy the benefits of a tripod and confidently capture those long exposures. Effortlessly snap a selfie, and then set it down to capture a self-portrait. We are so close to finalizing this project. Back us today and help bring Lumapod to the world.